Here we go, guys. Just got the shipment, Dragon Ball Sparking Zero Collector's Edition. Give you a full unboxing of it. Packed with this foam, which is really nice. Sometimes when you get a special edition, they'll come all banged up. Here we go. Look at this packaging right here. Do a little 360 for you guys. Nice and level. Statue that comes in there. Really cool. That's where all the money is. To New York, this is $271 shipped with taxes. There it is. A little bit of color. So this is the Steam edition. It's not going to come with the plastic case, but it should come with the steel book. Let's get this undone nicely. Collector's edition, don't want to mess that up. Made it super tight. There it is. Okay. Sparking Zero. Budokai series. This would be the 4th game in that series. The last time I played it was on the PS2. A remaster came out for the PS3, which is pretty decent as well, but everybody knows in that CRT TV days. Yeah, Budokai 1, 2, 3. Look at that. That must be the statue box right here. Really sick. Broly vs. Ultra Instinct Goku. Which never happened, but cool statue. There's that. What else we got in here? Bookmarks. Pretty random. But here it is. Nice metal bookmark. With the tassel. What we got on the other side? Broly. Wow. Legendary Super Saiyan. Look at that. Ultra Instinct. Love it. Put that to the side. So this is the Steam variant. We have trading cards that this comes with. We'll give this an open later. See what else is in here. I think this is like a metal plaque. We'll open this up real quick because this is pretty cool. Gives you like a little 3D effect. Look at that. Can you get that on camera? Very cool. The other side just says Sparking Zero. And there's a code. We'll black that out, but that's for the game. So I'll redeem that before this video will even be posted. And here is, look at that, Vegeta on the main display. About time. This is the Steelbook. Both. Goku and Vegeta, Super Saiyan Blue. Most of this tape undone here. Let's get over a shot of this.